But right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is a video course. Everything is in an over-the-shoulder format. And again, the whole method is about finding abundant Facebook threads with tons of traffic, but for whatever reason, the people that started the thread abandoned it, or maybe it didn't work for them, or maybe it used to work, but they already made all the money, so they just left it alone. And this is what you're going to be overtaking. So as you can see, we have the program overview right here. Then we have the Bevis method, online shop setup, because again, you will be selling essentially anything you want, but you will need an online store. Okay, so you can sell t-shirts, you can sell any physical product, you can sell any digital product, whatever you really want. Collecting payments, research using Facebook, so this is where you're going to be finding these abundant Facebook posts, getting the designs made, so this is for t-shirts, or again, you can sell anything you really want. Mockup creation, designing, uploading and pricing, shipping rates, traffic sources, Instagram. You can also scale this up with Instagram, with a Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook page creation right here, Facebook setup and pixel setup, because if you really want to scale this up beyond belief, you can add Facebook ads to it, and these are retargeting ads, so you won't be paying, you know, hundreds of dollars per day or thousands of dollars per day. You will be retargeting people, which means essentially a few clicks per visitors. Okay, so we have Facebook ads right here, creating page posts, interest targeting, understanding ad performance, and finding a vendor, and also retargeting ads. Okay, so we have three different methods. We have method number one, the tortoise method. Method number two, we have the copycat method, and method number three, we have the kangaroo method. You can use one or two or all three, totally up to you. And then the last video is about customer service, and that's essentially it. Okay, so again, this is a video course. Everything is in an over-the-shoulder video format. You can go through all of this in under 2 hours, start implementing this, and maybe even find your thread today, overtake it, start selling stuff and make money today and definitely this week. Okay, so again, this is backed by massive proof, not only from Tom, not only from his two partners, but from their students, and this is well over 2 years of proof. So this stuff absolutely works. Now let me show you all of the upsells and the pricing. Okay,